Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file a Form 1040X Amended tax return. First, determine if you need to amend your return, typically for errors or missed deductions. Gather all original tax documents, including your Form 1040 and any supporting schedules. You'll also need documents related to the changes you're making. This preparation ensures a smooth and accurate amendment process, helping you correct any previous filing mistakes efficiently. Now, let's complete Form 1040X. Fill in your name, address, and social security number exactly as they appeared on your original return. Specify the tax year you are amending at the top. Use columns A, B, and C to show the original amounts, the net change, and the corrected amounts for each line item. In Part 3, clearly explain the reasons for your changes. After filling out the form, calculate the new tax liability. If you owe more tax, include payment. If you're due a refund, the IRS will process it. Attach any revised schedules or forms, like a new Schedule O or B, that support your amendments. Finally, mail your completed Form 1040X to the appropriate IRS address, which varies by state. Do not e-file an amended return. Remember to file your Form 1040X within 3 years from the date you filed your original return, or within 2 years from the date you paid the tax, whichever is later. Always keep a complete copy of your amended return and all supporting documents for your records. This ensures you have proof of your submission. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.